Hey guys, planning and strategy is very important before appearing into a placement. Those who are not making plan and those who are not making strategy, they are only going to struggle during their placement time. So placement time has already started for 2022 batch, and in fact the placement is also going for 2021 batch, that is off campus. So it's for all those who are going to appear for any placement drive. Guys, this video is for you. So I'll be taking only 5 points over here, and you need to consider before sitting into an interview. So let's get started. First, have a background verification of the company you are going to apply for. Background verification means the company which I am going to appear for, is it a product based, is it a service based, or it is a startup company, so that you will be preparing yourself for an interview according to the company. I've already uploaded a video on how to crack any interview, face-to-face interview. If you haven't watched it, I will highly recommend you to please go ahead and watch that video. I'll provide you the link in the description box. There I have talked about how you can crack companies and what are the important questions and what they usually ask in face-to-face interview. So for that, I will provide you the link in the description box. So this was my point number 1. Point number 2. What if I will not get any placement on campus? What if I get only one placement in one company and my TPO is not allowing me to sit for other companies? What do you have to do? You have 2 options. First is apply off campus, and option number 2 is Relevel. Relevel is a new company of Unacademy, and they have partnered with 50 plus top Indian companies. So what do you have to do on Relevel? You need to simply take a test of your skill type. Yes, here you don't have to worry about what skill or what role I'll be getting after getting hired, because here you will be having 3 options, and you can take test in any of the 3 options. That is, first is business development, second is back-end development, third is front-end development. If you are interested in any of these, you can apply for the test, you can take the test. There will be 5 rounds, and which I've already explained in one of my video. I'll provide you the link in the description box. You can go ahead and check it out. And on Relevel platform, you will get your result within 24 hours. And after that, you need to sit and relax, because after that, Relevel will be making your profile and the companies will be calling you on the basis of your scores. So you don't have to worry about the interview and everything, because the company will be approaching you. You don't have to go and approach to the companies. That is the beauty of Relevel. And suppose if you have registered for it, the cost is around 1999. Yes, 1999. And now if you are watching this video, you can apply the coupon code TEL10, and on that you will get 10% discount, and you have to pay only 1799. Now suppose if you are cracking any interview from the Relevel, then you will be getting your refund, your registration amount fully refunded. That's the beauty of it. To know more about the syllabus and the test, everything, you can visit their website. They have already provided you a hell lot of information over there. Point number 3, CS versus non-CS. I have came across so many times the same question. Man, I'm from non-CS background. What will be happening with me? Means I don't know any technical knowledge and technical thing, blah, blah, blah stuff. But guys, I have already provided you the solution or strategy for non-CS. If you haven't watched it, I will highly recommend you to go ahead and watch that video, because that is specially for non-CS background student. So I will provide you the link in the description box. You can go ahead and watch, especially for non-CS, the strategy, how you should strategize your placement drive. Point number 4, syllabus. So every company has a different syllabus. Means some company focuses on some, in quantitative. In fact, if I talk about the quantitative aptitude, some company focus is on some other topics. Some companies focus is on some other topics. So they give priority to different topics. It varies companies to company. So for that, you need to check out what is the company's present syllabus. So I have already provided you another video related to online test. You can go ahead and watch that. I'll provide you the link in the description box. Now point number 5 is introduction. Introduction is very important in any company. Suppose you are appearing for the face-to-face round, then you need to know how to introduce yourself. For that also I've already made a video. I'll provide you the link in the description box. Guys, make sure while introducing yourself, you need to add the crisp of your CV into that, so that the next question will be coming from your introduction. If whatever you have added, suppose you have added some technology, suppose you have added your favorite programming language, so the next question will be coming from your field of interest. Now it's time for miscellaneous point. Do you have the placement material? If not, then what are you doing? Please come and join my Telegram group. I have provided hell amount of placement material over there, and that too free of cost. Yes. So you can join me there, and for that you need to DM me, or you can mail me, better mail me, and I will provide you the link of the Telegram group, because that is a private Telegram group and I don't cost anything for that. So that's all about today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and this video was informative to you. Don't forget to press thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I will highly recommend you to please press the subscribe button, so that whenever I'm posting a new video, you will be getting notified. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.